You can use onions to lighten age spots. Here's how. Lemons. Lemons have skin bleaching properties that lighten dark spots. Citric acid inhibits melanin and exfoliates dead skin cells. Lemon juice or a slice of lemon can be rubbed on the spot and allowed to dry before washing off. Onions. The raw onion combined with the acidic lemon juice helps to lighten the skin and encourages cell turnover, allowing you to peel off the topmost layer of skin. The onion naturally removes melanin-rich dead skin cells that cause hyperpigmentation and bleaches the age spots. Rub onions or onion juice onto your age marks 2 times per day until they disappear. Ingredients: lemon, onion powder,